While there are many time-saving features in the Woundtrack system, this short demo will show the core functions that will benefit the greatest number of users. The wound assessment and the wound analytics. To add a wound for assessment, position and click the mouse to mark the wound location. The first location marked will be wound number 1. The second will be number 2, and so on. Wound images can be uploaded from a computer or from a smartphone at the point of care. The measurement module will enlarge the image for greater accuracy and allow for a more detailed inspection of the wound. To show the measurements, trace the wound perimeter with the mouse cursor and connect the beginning and the end of the trace. The system will auto-calculate the length, the width, and the area of the wound. Likewise, this auto measurement can be done on a smartphone. The amount of granulation or necrosis can be determined most accurately with careful inspection of the enlarged image. Accurate wound character assessment is achieved with the use of appropriate parameters for the following wound types: pressure ulcer, venous ulcer, arterial ulcer, diabetic ulcer, surgical wound, MASD, skin tear, abrasion, laceration, and burns. The wound character assessment can be completed using the web application or the mobile app at the point of care. Based on the assessments, the status score is tabulated to determine the severity of the wound. The treatment processor is used to enter the steps of the wound care procedure for each wound. It can be modified according to the agency's preferences. Once completed, the wound analytics can be viewed or printed. The following are the wound analytics for the 10 assessments done on our sample wound that shows how the wound has changed over time. The right column is the current assessment, and the left is the previous assessment. The first graph shows the measurements of the area, granulation, and necrosis. The second graph shows the wound character status. These reports can easily be attached to most home health EMR software. All data are stored in HIPAA-compliant Google Cloud servers. To use the Woundtrack system for free, click the registration button below, and we'll get you set up speedily so you can get started in no time. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll find the Woundtrack system useful.